Students, today we are learning divisions. Question number 1, 5 plus under root of 5 plus 5 under root of 5 is equal to question mark. Very good. Shabash. Question number 2, 1000 into 100 divided by 10 is equal to question marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 and 1 divided by 10 as it is. Zero, zero cut and finally is equal to 00001 means 10,000 answer.